Hello guys and welcome to my video. I'm going to be showing you how to use the input function in Python. So let's say for example, I want to type something and then I want it to print out what I typed. So what you want to do is, let's say, print, open bracket, input, enter your name. Now this is going to tell this little blue place over here, this is telling the program what to show the user. Input is the function I'm using, so the user knows what to type. Like say for example, I just wrote print input end of story. They're not going to know what to exactly type. But if I write print input enter your name, then the user is going to know what to type. So if I run this program, it's going to write enter your name. If I write Basil, it's going to print Basil because I told it print input enter your name. So now let's say we want it to print a message to us. So what you want to do is set it as a variable. Let's say name equals input, then open bracket and open speech marks, and then let's say enter your name. Then at the bottom we'll write print, and then let's say hello. And then you want to write plus, hello, and then plus, and then name, because I set name to equal the input, which is what the user is actually going to write. So now when I write print hello plus name, Python is going to print hello and then whatever the person wrote. So let's go ahead and run this program. Enter your name, Basil. Is going to print hello Basil. That's how you do it. You can also make it a bit longer. Let's say name equals input enter your name. Let's write age equals input enter your age. Now I'm telling the program that age will equal whatever I enter, the user enters, and name will equal whatever the user enters. So print hello plus name, and then print you are, and then plus, and then age, because Python knows age is equal to input. If I just write age by itself, like say I was to get rid of this variable, yeah, and if I just write age, it's going to print out an error. Look, let's say for example Basil. Okay, now there's an error because it says name age is not defined. So Python does not know what age is equal. That is why you have to set a variable so it knows what age will be. Now when I run this program, it's going to ask me enter your name. I'll write Basil, hit enter, enter your age, and then I'm gonna write let's say 30. Oops. Now hello Basil, you are 30. There, that's how you use input. You can play around with this and make something really cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.